Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I can have the flea. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a
hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose. Camera, click, we pose. Beat.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. But I'm back. I'm here. I'm ready to show you guys another unit today. As y'all see by the title and the thumbnail, it is a braided unit. This wig from SHEIN. I paid $15.53 on this wig. It is a 34-inch HD full lace braided wig. I'm so sad to say it's sold out, but I'm gonna find another wig just like this one. So let's get into the video of installing this braided wig. I'm so tender-headed. I'm tender-headed. I don't like to sit for a long period of time. I don't like when nobody pulls my hair. I don't like that. I just don't like it. This wig is literally like life-saving because I don't want to sit down for hours to get my hair braided, and I don't want to go through the pain. Like, who thought about that? Who really thought about that? Like, what? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all this unit. I did pull it out and I looked at it myself. I couldn't help it. I couldn't wait for the video, so I looked at it already. Came in this wonderful bag. Let's get into it. So, 34-inch wig. I did take off the net. Let's just get into the details of this, okay? Okay, so right off the bat, you guys, let's focus on the outside, okay? Look at it. Oh my god, it is braids. I have something to say about this, okay? You may like it, you may not. This is a full unit. It's very, very full. The only thing that I've noticed, and I just don't like it, and I'm about to show y'all, is some of the braids are like that. Can you guys see it? The braiding, it ain't right. At the ends, it is twisted instead of braided, and they're very solid. Like, it's not going anywhere. Like, the braid is not going to unravel. Now, let me show you guys the back, which is, my opinion, I don't like it. I don't know what happened. Somebody's going to have to talk to me. They're going to have to call my phone and be like, this is what happened to this unit and why it looked like that. I flipped the unit around on the back. Yes, do y'all see this? It's like they gave up. Like, the parts, the braids so spaced out. I don't even know if you guys can see it. It's like, what is that? I'm so glad that it is full on the top, which covers the back. That's the only thing I can say about that. And right here, she has baby hairs. I don't know if you guys can truly see that, but yeah. The inside of this is completely lace. The whole thing is lace, which is really, really good because you want your parts to look like a part. Adjustable band in there. Has the adjustable straps, has a comb in the back, and it has 2 combs on the side. I guess this is okay. This is decent. This is decent. I never had a wig that was double laced, so this is what that is, and it's very pretty. Like, 34 inches. I don't believe it. It could pop. No, because my 30-inch seems like it's a little longer than this. I could be wrong. I don't know. I actually got to put foundation all over my stocking cap. As you can see, I already did that because I literally just took off a wig, and I'm gonna put foundation all over this stocking cap off camera, and I will come back and I will show you guys what it looked like. So I ended up putting foundation all over this cap, in the back, and all that good stuff. I put foundation on the inside of this unit. So I am literally just about to cut this back lace because I don't like it. Let's put this on. Wait. Oh, whoa. Wait, let's start that back over. Oh, wow. It's a little tight. Oh my God, y'all. We might be in trouble. Okay, so, y'all, this is a little snuggy. It would work good if you was bald head. Like, I can't put it down no more. I can't. Oh my gosh. We're gonna work this out. We're still gonna wear it. I don't care. I don't know. Okay, let me think. I'm gonna lay this lace down. I don't this is it's not, yeah, it's just not going. Okay, we gonna work this out. It's gonna look decent. It's gonna do something, y'all. Something. So I'm gonna go in with my melting spray, and everything that I use in this video will be in the description box. I'm gonna cut this in section because I won't be able to like do the whole thing. I have to put my scarf on because, yeah, I just really don't even know. It's not like laying down, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for 10 minutes and I'm gonna come right back. So let's take this down to see if anything was to change. One more time so I can try to get that down. Yeah. What? Whenever I put on a wig, I be thinking like, okay, I need to go ahead and plug up my flat irons, plug up my hot comb. Y'all, I did that and I'm like, but I don't need it. Alright, so let's get this baby hair together. And I want to plug some of this baby hair. Did the best I could. I think I'm gonna take this down and I'm gonna put some foundation in this part. That's gonna take a minute, but I will be right back, okay?
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I can have the flea. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a pretty clean, boost your self-esteem. I get
So let's get into the unit, okay? I absolutely love it. It's different. It didn't take hours to get this done. Literally just in a few minutes, 30 minutes. That's it. I did cut a little of the baby hair because it was long. I didn't like it, so I cut it. But like I said, in some of the braids, it does have like misbraiding. I don't know what you call it. I don't know if this was made by a machine. I don't think it's made by like real human to braid this. I mean, because that's a lot of work. I went down each row. I put foundation all the way down and across so it could look a little realistic. That is just what I got. I thought this was pretty cute. This is giving me like Poetic Justice, Janet Jackson. This is what it would look like. Now this unit is very much small, so if you got a big head, you got a lot of hair, it ain't gonna work. I mean, it worked for me because I forced it on there. I feel like I can do several hairstyles with this one wig. I can do half up, half down. I can literally just twist this right here and like, I don't know, I can have a ponytail probably. I feel like you could just do a lot with this unit. Like, there's so much you can actually do, and I'm gonna play with this. So this is so cute. This is so different. I don't have a middle part. I don't know if it's because the way I placed the wig on my head. Y'all see that? That is not a center part, but overall this is what it looks like if you were to put it like in a middle part. Alright, I guess that's it. This was literally a simple hairstyle. Like, when I say this was a simple, I put this on so quick, this ain't even a long video, which I'm not mad because less work, I love it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with another wig installment, and if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Just a reminder, I am still doing the wig giveaway, so make sure you guys subscribe. Until next time, you guys, thank you so much. Bye.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I can't have the flea. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean, boost your self-esteem. I get tough in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step on something, so I just like baby D. Bitch, I'm cool, pussy.